Hey guys, could be Super here. Sorry, hold on. Hold on, let me drink some water. Sorry guys. Today I'm doing another Scratch tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to comprehend blocks. Now blocks are pretty useful for many things, especially platformers. Platformers basically depend on blocks to work. So basically, what we're going to start is go to My Blocks, press Make a Block, then over here you got your name. I'm just going to call it render. Then you have these different things. Add an input is like you could add a number value. So I'm just going to put X. Then I'm going to make another value, name it Y. But if someone was doing this, if you create the block, when you place down the block, it doesn't say what they are unless you see the define. So what you should do is edit it, delete these, then add a label. Actually, no, go like, just go like, render is the name, then put X, then put X equals, then put X, then add another label, name it Y equals, then add another input and name it Y. So now it says render, and the X for rendering is that, and the Y for rendering is that, and I'm not really sure what the other thing does, but I'm sure I'll learn that eventually. And basically what you do is you add this, and basically every time this block activates, it activates this. As you can see, it glows, and so it does that. And so what I'm going to do is add some code to this so that it adds that and stuff. So what you could do is go to X, Y, and what you're going to do is grab is you see how these look like they're sort of cut out of the block? That's because you could drag a pair of them out, and so like that you put them inside the block, and what's gonna happen is when you put like 50 in here and 120 in here, these are gonna turn to 120 and this is gonna turn to 50. So that's why blocks could be customized each time they're run, because then I just change it to 80 and 12, and this is gonna be 80, and now this is gonna be 12. And basically that's how blocks sort of work. And what you could do is, as you can see, it went to that space. So what I'm going to do is go to 120, 120, and that's up there. Then I'm going to by the way, I'm also going to be talking about extensions. Extensions are basically like how to add more sections of these, and let's take a look at all the extensions. You have music, how to play like you play instruments and drums. Pen, which is what we're going to be using, but let's take a look at the other one. Video sensing, which turns on your camera, which is right up there for me, but like it's out of the PC. Then text to speech, translate, makey, which is basically you grab like a banana, for example, then you like put some like clip on it, and you connect it to the computer, and it makes it so that when you touch the banana, it does a key on the keyboard. Microbit, Lego Mindstorm, Lego Boost, Lego Education Redo, and Go Direct Force and Acceleration. And yeah, that's pretty cool. So we're gonna grab pen, And what you're gonna do is go to XY stamp. So what it's going to do is I'm going to duplicate the block, then go to -20, -120, and go to 120, -20, go to -120, 20. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna do different things, and each time it's gonna go like that. And even though this is the same block every time, it's gonna be different results. And as you can see, it stamps, and then at the end of the day, it's going to go back to the middle. And you could tell which one is the real one, because the real one is higher definition than the stamped ones. And that's how blocks work and stuff. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Actually, I'm pretty sure what Boolean is I'm gonna just put like space, I guess, maybe. And what I think is, oh yeah, oh okay, yeah, okay. So basically, it's like here you add an input, like if key space pressed, and and then inside of the block you put if space, and that basically means if whatever was in this area of the block is true, then it will do whatever is here. Else, what it's going to do is pen down, wait 0.1 seconds, 0.1 seconds, pen up. And I'm going to set pen color to that. And I'm going to take that out and make it an if-else statement. Go like that. And now I'm gonna make it wait 1 second in between all the things. And add key space press to all of them. And now what this is going to do is I'm going to press space. And it should just draw. And yeah, it's cool, but because it's stamped, it doesn't stuff. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, because I need to add an eraser block here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like full screen, then go like that, and it stamps. And as you can see, it is a very small square. But what I'm going to do is set pen size to 50. And now as you can see, I just controlled that. And to prove that I controlled that, I'm gonna make it so that it stamps there, then doesn't stamp there, then okay, never mind. Stamps there. Okay, never mind. Stamps there, doesn't stamp there, and doesn't stamp there. And as you can see, it works. And yeah, that's pretty cool, because I actually didn't know what Boolean does, but now I do, which is good. And now you guys also know what Boolean does, and that is extra good. Thank you guys for watching today's episode. Today's second episode, actually. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for more Scratch and gaming content. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.